टिफिन लिया था ना तो
हाँ.
उसको जलन हुआ था.
Are you not going to have bath in 24 hours? I'm weak by body today from a store in Matunga. Why is it not coming off? Hello you guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 4th of December. That's a Thursday. Today's video, I'm not going to think and shoot anything. We're rather just gonna shoot, and I'm super excited and nervous also because I have posted my first YouTube video. Oh my god, it's already live. It's around 3:17. I was feeling very low on energy yesterday. I'm weak by body today. I have cold and cough. It was around 9 o'clock. I got my periods. The reason I was not feeling to post today, I posted my video at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm super nervous. The way it turned out, the way I edited, the way I put music, it just looks so beautiful. If you guys have not gone and watched my first video, please go and watch my video. Shower some love. I can't promise for a specific dates now. Of course, on my banner I have written Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. That's when you will get my video, but today is Thursday. So yesterday actually I was supposed to post it, but then I posted it today. Anyways, we are going to post my next video maybe on Sunday, or of course you'll see my video on a Friday. I don't know now where this vlog is going to take me. For those of you who wanted to know which face wash I use the rice foaming face wash from Face Shop. Have heavy face makeup on my face. Oof, what I'm speaking, I myself don't know. I'm totally drained on energy today. I'm feeling very low, but then we ain't stopping anywhere. We are still gonna vlog. We are still gonna show up every single week on YouTube so that we start growing. On the days if I have heavy makeup on my skin, I personally use this face wash. It's amazing, but then you directly don't wash your face with this. You first use a balm or oil, just something that melts your makeup down, and you just wipe it off, and then you use this foaming cleanser. I've been using it since years now, like maybe 4 or 5 years. Every time I finish this, I always repurchase it. This is like maybe my 10th bottle. That's how much I use this face wash, and it's gonna last you around good 5-6 months if you're using it daily. But if you're not using it daily, it's gonna last you around 8 to 9 months or maybe 1 year. I love it. I love everything about this face wash. In fact, I just love Korean face washes. They are so good. On my daily basis, I use this face wash from Pilgrim, the vitamin C gel face wash. If I'm in the mood of using a gel face wash, I always go on with this. Someday I'll even show you my morning skincare routine. How do I wash my face? How gentle you need to be with your skin? Everything. Avocado, plum, and lime pearl. But then I just don't use it because of the ingredients. I use it because it's a nice mild. It is jelly like, but it is more velvety than jelly. I'll just show it to you guys the day I'll wash my face. But then now I have to have a shower because you know how you feel when you're on your periods. So I'll just go have some shower, drench myself in water as usual, and come back and see you guys. Done with shower, you guys. I'm back. I'm so pissed off with this now. Water drops just fell on it while wiping my skin. Today I'm not going to use anything because my skin is reacting a little bit. Can you guys just see? I'm getting like little tiny bumps. It's just because of the weather change. So I'm just gonna keep it gentle. Even I'm not feeling like putting a heavy skincare today. I even used a mild face wash. On the days when I don't feel like using anything heavy, I just use this. Before moving ahead, I'm first going to show you all what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a crop top. This I bought from H&M, I guess. Yeah, I bought it from H&M, but then it's a 2-year-old crop top and it still fits me very well. Just worn it once when I purchased it, and then it was just lying in my wardrobe. So I just thought like why not to wear it? It's very comfortable. For Mumbai's heat, it's very good. It's pure cotton. I feel very light. Actually, on the days when I feel very weak, I love to wear white top. I don't know. It's just me, or it's just the days when I'm feeling very weak, I love wearing white clothes. I don't know why. White, beige, neutral colors. I just love it. I just love wearing neutral colors so that I just feel good. White is my color, you guys. I just love white color. My face looks very, very pale right now, so I'm just gonna apply a lip balm. Not a lip tint, just a lip balm. Or maybe a little bit of lip tint. Let's see. I'm gonna put this mic on my top. I just hope you guys are able to hear me now. I look pretty cute, very, very cute. Before moving ahead, I'm first going to apply moisturizer. But before moisturizer, first comes the lip tint and the lip balm, and then we're going to start with everything else. Where is the lip balm? Where are you? Where is the lip tint? It's here. These two products are my go-to products. I can't live without them. It's something, I'm not applying anything, not even a moisturizer, but I need these two products. I'm first going to use these two products on my lips so that from pale, we have some color on my skin. I just love the fact that it comes with this holder cap. It protects, even if this gets lost, you have this with you. There's a story behind this lip gloss, this lip tint. I have broken it. It's not just me, it's my friend who broke this for me. We always use it in the office. Lip tint and this lip gloss, these two are the products we always use in our office. One fine day, we both were using it. We have used it to the core, where it was almost about to finish. It was this big. While applying it in the washroom, we both broke it. That's how this lip balm is totally broken, but I'm still using it. This lip balm has a lot of memories, so I'm always going to keep this with me. That friend of mine, she's left the job, she's left the office. This lip balm stays with me. Yeah, I'm going to use it. And it still works. Still works very well. And it's actually very, very pretty. Instantly gave me a hint of color on my skin. I don't use anything, I just use this lip balm. On the days if I'm very lazy, I'm never lazy, you guys, I'm never lazy. Just that on my mood, don't feel like applying anything, I just apply this tint. My cheeks also, and I use a lip gloss, that's it. So we're gonna do that today. So on the days when I feel very weak, I love looking good. So that's somewhere my mood is distracted and I feel good about myself. This is about to get over. So I'm just waiting for this to finish so that I can buy a new lip tint and a new lip gloss. There's a lot of product yet in it, but then we ain't wasting anything. We're gonna use it until it gets over. It looks so good. There's so much product in this. Can you guys just see? So much product. Love it. But the best part about this lip balm, lip gloss, it's very chocolatey. It has cocoa, chocolate. I keep reapplying this. It's not long lasting. As far as you're not eating anything, it's okay. If you start eating, the most spiciest thing also, you feel it's sweet because of the lip gloss. It's very sweet, you guys. In taste also, I've tasted it. That's why. Very sweet. I'm going to hydrate my body with the Parachute body lotion. And I just want to remove this. I have 2, 3, 4 bottles of this. I love this moisturizer that much, and it's very reasonable also, where you can purchase it every month. Why is it not coming off? I'm trying my best to remove it, but then it just says no to come out. It's very difficult, to remove anything from your nails, and sometimes it's very easy because your nails just make it easy for you to remove anything. It's making it difficult now. It's coming out, you guys. It's coming out. I don't know. It's my brother who has put this. He also uses this moisturizer with me. We both use it together. Finally, we've removed this. I just don't like kachra in my room. I'm going to top myself off with this moisturizer. I just hate feeling dry. I hate people around me when they don't apply moisturizer. Of course, I don't hate them, but then I just recommend them to apply moisturizer and keep yourself hydrated, because I am one of those girls who loves herself to keep hydrated. I love to keep myself hydrated, nourished, moisturized. I'm going to use the Parachute Advanced Body Lotion. This is in the flavor coconut milk. I have tubs. It's not a tub. I have bottles and bottles of this moisturizer. I have around like 4-5 bottles, and I've already completed 4-5 more. Means I've already completed 4-5 and I've ordered 4-5. It's very reasonable. I can't say it's going to make your skin very hydrated. No. But then it's the best for Mumbai's heat. It's very, very hot outside. Honestly, there's no, like, if you just step out, you're going to sweat. And there are moisturizers in the market that are really, really good. But then, तूने मेरा नया वीडियो देखा आरू? Come here, come here, come here. How was it? कैसा रहा?
Nice.
It was nice?
Yes, I love it.
Really? क्यों आई आरू?
कि उसने ना मेरे फोन में लॉक डाल दिया कि मैंने वो डैडी से मैंने नया टिफिन लिया था ना, तो उसको जलन हुआ था कि मैं उसको टिफिन लेना था, और रोज रोज मैं बड़ा टिफिन लेके जाती हूँ.
Really?
Yes.
फोन लॉक हो चुका है. Let's see if we can open her lock and give it to her. किसको पता है ये लॉक?
ये लॉक दीदी को पता है.
मैं कॉल करूँ तो बोल रही है निधि को. मुझे कॉल करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
ठीक है, लेट्स कॉल.
उसको बोली कि प्लीज ना बता दो, मैं लॉक कर देती
तुझे एक्चुअली मेरा फोन ढूंढना पड़ेगा आरू.
हूँ.
इट्स फन. यहाँ है आजा. लेट्स कॉल हर. तो मेरे YouTube वीडियो में आ रही है आरू. सच में ये मैं YouTube पे डालने वाली हूँ. कॉल नहीं उठा रही है वो.
कॉल बैक उसको पता चल गया.
Not answering the call. मैसेज करूँ मैं उसको?
हाँ.
क्या करके मैसेज करूँ?
Lily, please tell me what Adobe phone
पासवर्ड.
password.
हमने उसको मैसेज कर दिया है एडिंग द फोन पासवर्ड. अब उसका नेट भी ऑफ है आरू. वी कांट डू एनीथिंग.
एक बात तो देख.
देखना उसका नेट ऑफ है. उसको पता है पक्का पासवर्ड क्या है.
हाँ, उसने जो डाला.
क्यों डाला? क्यों उसने पासवर्ड?
मैंने ना टिफिन खरीदा है तो उसको टिफिन लेना था.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
शी इज नॉट आंसरिंग द कॉल आरू.
देखो लीली का नंबर पता है?
हाँ है ना.
तो इसमें एक डालते हैं. लीली बोल रही थी कि बोलूं से तभी ये नंबर डाले क्या है कि इसका लीली का तेरा नंबर क्या बोल रहा है.
तूने मेरा YouTube वीडियो देखा कि नहीं?
हाँ, तूने तेरी मम्मी ने पूरा लेसन करके रखा.
क्या क्या?
तूने इतना बड़ा बाल दिखा ना उसमें.
हाँ.
उसमें लहसुन भर के रखा था.
क्या? लहसुन?
लहसुन भर के रखा था.
अदरक था वो.
अदरक
तूने पूरा वीडियो देखा?
पूरा नहीं देखा. वो देखे तो मैंने उसको देखा. मैं घर पे जाके देखूंगी.
अब भी देखना आरू.
हाँ.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि तू मेरा वीडियोस देख के व्यूज बढ़ाए. क्या?
कैसे खोलेगा वो?
खुलेगा. अभी रोना नहीं है इसके लिए. तो ठीक है, चलो अभी फिर मैं अभी वीडियो शूट कर लूँ.
हाँ. बाय.
Bye. The weather is so gloomy outside. She's just gone out. She was my little sister. So before going ahead, I'll just quickly go comb my hair and come, because I don't want my hair to fall in my bedroom and I don't want to make my bedroom dirty. Guys, I'm back. I always comb my hair outside in my gallery and remove it and throw it in the dustbin, because I just hate hair lying here and there in my bedroom or in my gallery. I'm a clean freak, for those of you who don't know. I just don't like things lying around. You know, we look good in half bun. I'll just do it. I have a very cute clip. I'll just show it to you guys. It's super cute. It has a lot of fur. It is so pretty. My mom just got this for me from a store in Matunga. She just said that. Clip my hair first. looks pretty, right? Looks super cute. Looks very cute. The sun is falling down. I mean, weather outside is so freaking gloomy. I just hate it when when I am filming, the weather just goes down. Why? Maybe I'm filming at the wrong time. Before going ahead, I'm first going to use a moisturizer. Parachute Advanced Body Lotion or Coconut Milk Moisturizer. I just love this moisturizer. It claims for 72 hours hydration, but then I don't believe in that. 72 hours means are you not going to have bath in 24 hours? It's just so any which ways, we're going to use this moisturizer. The reason why I love this moisturizer the most, there are moisturizers in the market that are more hydrating. Dry skin is something I just hate, absolutely hate. I always like to be hydrated, nice, nourished. Always suggest people to apply a moisturizer because that's very important. And second of all, hydrates your skin. It's very lightweight. And third, the most important is that it does not make your skin oily and greasy because Mumbai's weather, it's not a weather to apply moisturizer and go out. I just swear by my words because it's so freaking hot outside. You just step out, you're going to sweat. You're going to be drenched in sweat. And I can't take it. So there are moisturizers that are very hydrating, more better than this maybe, but this is very good for Mumbai's weather. I live in Mumbai, so I just love using this. I even use Nivea moisturizers and other brands also. I try and test out, but then it's just Mumbai's weather, whether it's rainy season, whether it's summer season, or whether it's winter season, this moisturizer is not going to make your skin oily. It's rather going to make you smell very good and it absorbs really quickly. It does not leave your skin dry. It does not leave your skin greasy. Rather, it even, tones down the dryness and your skin feels very hydrated. So I would highly recommend you guys to use the Parachute Advanced Body Lotion. I have like 10 bottles of this. I've already completed 5. I've thrown away. I have more 4 bottles lying in my wardrobe. This is the one. This is also about to be over. I and my brother both use moisturizers. He does not. He just uses on his hands and I use it for my entire body. And the best part, it's very reasonable. Very reasonable, you guys. It's very nice, very reasonable. It's under budget for all my girls out there who are looking for a moisturizer, but that's very expensive. This one, you can purchase it every month and be happy. It's not going to be heavy on your pockets. It's going to be very light on your pockets. Even you can buy it. You can put a habit for your body applying moisturizer every single day, because I know we just all brag about applying moisturizers, this and that, but most of the girls in Mumbai, they just don't apply moisturizer. That's just very common thing because of course it's very hot outside. You don't even feel like applying moisturizer. Now I'm going to take pumps of this much, warm it up nicely, apply it on your body. The light is going down. That's about it, you guys. You don't need more. You don't need anything extra. Does this much, you're good to go. Can you guys just see how hydrated my body looks? I won't tell you to be very hydrated or apply too much moisturizer. If you scratch your skin, there should not be any white cast. That way, you can apply a moisturizer. I'm going to end this vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss a video when I upload one. And if you haven't yet followed me on Instagram, Snapchat or YouTube, I will be linking all of them right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.